Prerequisites for metallography: preliminary polishing spares for site and laboratory, INSIPOL 2000 with laboratory stand and tampon probes, polishing and etching solutions, portable microscope for observation at site. Controls for INSIPOL 2000: power plug connection, on off switch, current application switch, digital voltage and current indicator, polishing voltage knob, polishing timer, polishing and etching mode selection, etching current knob, etching timer, low and high density current selection switch, flow control knob, pump on off switch, fuse for motor, fuse for polishing gun, tampon probe corrections positive and negative, pump, tank, polishing gun, rubber tip, cathode connection, preparation of universal polishing solution for INSIPOL 2000. Take necessary safety precautions while handling chemicals. Take 3 specified chemicals as per volume mentioned in instruction manual. Mix these solutions in a beaker in specified sequence as mentioned in instruction manual. Now store this solution in airtight plastic bottle. Tighten the cap for storage. Sample preparation steps for INSIPOL 2000. First, grinding is done with abrasive wheel to ensure that all the scale around the surface is removed. All the scale from the surface is removed and metal surface with luster is exposed. Then the polishing is done with polishing paper starting from 80 grit up to 600 grit size. Start from 80 grit up to 600 grit size. Polish the surface in perpendicular direction to the previous coarse polishing direction. Switch on to the finer grit paper when all the scratches of previous coarser grit paper are removed. After these grinding steps, the sample is now ready for electrolytic polishing using INSIPOL 2000. On the pump, place the gun on sample surface and apply gentle pressure so that there is no air gap between metal surface and rubber ring. On the pump, Adjust the flow rate of solution so that there is no air bubble. Now adjust polishing voltage knob to 60 volts and timer to 15 seconds. Press current application switch. After the buzzer, switch off the machine. Clean the polished area with spray bottle, distilled water and with a solvent. Now the sample is ready for etching. Use of laboratory stand. When the sample size is small, we can use laboratory stand to polish the sample. Fix the polishing gun through the bottom of stand. Now place the preliminary polished sample in inverted position on laboratory stand and press it with holder. Attach the cathode connections . Switch on the machine. Start the flow. And press current application switch. After listening to buzzer, switch off the flow, remove the sample, clean the polished sample surface with DM water and suitable solvent. Now the sample is ready for etching. Normally, as far as possible, use circulatory flow technique with INSIPOL as it is skill free and even standards recommends the same. If more area needs to be covered, then use tampon method as it is skill based process and a care is involved. Connect the tampon probes to the machine. Connect the anode, that is sample, with crocodile pin. Place the felt cloth on cathode probe. Fix it with rubber band. Dip the probe in the solution and put the wet probe at around 1 mm above the sample and let the solution be between sample and probe. Keep timer to 90 seconds. Apply current and move the probe slowly over the area of interest. Repeat the process if solution gets soaked. This is skill-based process. Do maintain at least 1 mm gap between probe and sample, and there is enough solution between probe and sample. Here the solution is a current carrier, so if there is no solution, direct shot will be there and sample will be blackened. Now the sample is ready for etching. Clean the sample polished area with DM water and suitable solvent. Normally, manual etching with swab method is easier. Use cotton swabs, dip it in etchant and slowly swab the metal surface with etchant. After the etching is completed, clean the metal surface with DM water and suitable solvent. Now the sample is ready for examination. If electrolytic etching is required, INSIPOL 2000 can be used. For example, if we require 10% oxalic acid etching for SS, we can use INSIPOL 2000 by keeping the machine on etching mode. Take the etching solution in tank. Switch on the machine. Select etching mode. Keep polishing knobs to 0. Set etching current to 9 volt. Set timer to 90 seconds. And low current density. Switch off. Place the gun on the sample. Place the gun on the earlier polished, electro-polished area. Switch on the pump flow. Press current application switch. The buzzer indicates the etching is completed. Switch off the pump. Now the sample is ready for metallographic examination. Clean the sample surface with DM water and suitable solvent. Now view the etched portion on microscope. Cleaning of INSIPOL is recommended every day after use and when we switch over from polishing to etching mode. Switch off the machine. Remove the pump connections. Take out the solution tank and pour the solution back into the solution bottle. Clean the tank with DM water and distilled water. Take DM water or distilled water in the tank. Fix the pump on the tank. Make the pump connections. Switch on the machine and start the flow by keeping a thumb or a finger on a rubber ring. Repeat the procedure for a couple of times. Again switch off the machine. Remove pump connections. Take out the electrolytic tank. Discard the water. Again fix the assemblies and keep machine in the safe place.